Now we will see what is emergency fund, why you need one and how to build the emergency fund. An emergency fund is special amount of money you keep aside only for unexpected situations. It is not for shopping, vacations or regular bills. Instead, it is for things like sudden medical expenses, job loss or loss of income, car repair or home repair, any urgent expense you did not plan for. You can think of emergency fund like a safety net. If something goes wrong, this fund protects you. So you don't have to borrow money or use credit card. Why do you need an emergency fund? First point is financial security. Life is unpredictable. With an emergency fund, you are prepared for surprises. Second point is avoid debt. Without savings, people often take loans or use credit cards, which creates more financial stress. Third point is peace of mind. Just knowing you have backup money reduces worry and gives you confidence. Fourth point is faster recovery. When an emergency happens, you can solve it quickly without delaying or waiting for money. How much emergency fund you should save? A simple rule is to save 3 to 6 months of your living expenses. For example, if your monthly expenses are 30,000 rupees, then aim for at least 90,000 rupees to 1 lakh 80,000 rupees in your emergency fund. Where to keep an emergency fund? Emergency fund should be safe. Keep it in a reliable bank and not in risky investments like stocks. Emergency fund should be easy to access. Use a saving account or fixed deposit that can be withdrawn quickly. Emergency fund should be separate. Keep the emergency fund apart from your regular spending money so you don't spend the emergency fund by mistake. Now we will see how to build an emergency fund. First, set a goal. Decide how much you need. For example, 1 lakh rupees. Next, start small. Even saving 500 rupees or 1000 rupees every week or month adds up over time. Next, automate savings. Set up an auto transfer from your salary account into your saving account. Next, cut unnecessary expenses. Skip one luxury like eating out often and put that money in your emergency fund. Next, save extra money. Any bonus, side income, or a tax refund, add it directly to the emergency fund. If you don't have savings or emergency fund, you may panic and borrow money if you suddenly lose your job. If you have an emergency fund, you can relax, pay your bills, and focus on finding new job without stress. Now we will see quick tips. Do not invest your emergency fund in stocks or risky assets. Do not use it for non-emergencies like vacations or shopping. Refill the emergency fund immediately after using it. Now we will see the summary. An emergency fund is your financial safety net. It protects you from debt, reduces stress, and gives you peace of mind during unexpected situations. You can start small, save regularly, and you have to build up 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a safe, separate account.